Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am making an easy, very easy cake. It's a Butterfinger cake and there's only a few ingredients and you use a cake mix. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. For this cake part, all you need is a cake mix or any chocolate cake that you want to make. You can make it from scratch. I'm using this Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge. And of course you'll need the ingredients, the oil, the eggs, and the water that goes into the cake mix, and just make it as directed. And you'll need a 9x13 dish and cooking spray to spray the dish. Bake your cake according to directions and let it cool slightly. The rest of the items you'll need is a can of sweetened condensed milk, a tub of whipped topping, and Butterfingers. I'm using these Butterfinger bits, but you can crush up just candy bars, which is what I usually do, but I have this bag of bits, so I'm going to use that. Once your cake is somewhat cooled, you want to take a fork and just poke holes all over the cake. And once you've done that, just take your sweetened condensed milk and pour it all over the cake, spreading it, trying to get it to work into those holes. And you can also do this while the cake is warm, but you want to make sure the cake is cool enough before you put your whipped topping over that. Now just top it with your whipped topping. Now just sprinkle your Butterfingers over the whole cake, and that's all there is to it. And this is a delicious cake. It is so easy. You want to keep it stored in the refrigerator. But it is a winner with our family. And it's been a while since I've made it. I used to make it quite regularly. So I hope you'll enjoy this. It looks wonderful. It tasted wonderful. And my family was happy. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and give this a try. So until next time, bye y'all.